AQPRO Pattern Map Indicator instantly spots the most important candlestick patterns, shows you where key setups are forming, and adds smart risk markers to guide your trades. Use it to catch strong entries, confirm reversals, and trade with confidence across multiple timeframes. When AQPRO Pattern Map loads, it highlights bullish and bearish candlestick patterns with green and red labels, plus clear boxes and emojis for easy recognition. It automatically draws take profit and stop loss levels for each signal, so you instantly see entry and exit points. A dashboard at the top right shows the latest pattern, direction, take profit, stop loss, and whether the trade is still active. Below it, the multi-timeframe screener displays signals from up to 4 other timeframes. Everything is clean, clear, and built to save you time while helping you trade with confidence. Let's go over the indicator settings. Start with 1-candle patterns. Enable hammer for fast reversal spots. Then in 2-candle, switch on belt hold, engulfing, and window for clear trend change signals. In 3-candle, activate morning star and squeeze to catch momentum shifts early. For multi-candle, tick rising 1, breakaway 2, and fakie. Ideal for bigger structure breaks and fakeouts. Next, go to MTF settings. Turn on the screener and pick 4 timeframes: 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. These help you see patterns from other timeframes in one glance. Then, under risk settings, enable take profit and stop loss visualization. Adjust the risk-to-reward ratio to match your style. Jump into dashboard settings. Make sure it's enabled. It'll show the latest pattern with take profit, stop loss, and trade status right at the top corner. Last, tweak visual settings. Choose green for bullish, red for bearish, and gray for neutral. Set the frame width to 2 for clear highlights, or 0 if you want no boxes. That's it. Your chart is now clean, focused, and pattern ready. How to take a sell trade? Using AQPRO Pattern Map. First, confirm that the market is in a bearish trend. Next, wait for a bearish pattern to appear on your chart. It'll be marked in red with a frame around the candles. Once you see the pattern, check that your entry, take profit, and stop loss lines are all showing on the chart. Now, enter your sell trade at the close of the pattern candle. Place your stop loss at the stop loss level shown, and set your take profit at the take profit level. If you let the trade run, you'll see price moving toward your take profit. In this example, the trade moves in our favor and hits take profit, meaning the setup worked perfectly and you're in profit now. Now let's look for a buy trade. At this point, we can see that a bullish pattern has just appeared right here on the chart. Our entry, stop loss, and take profit levels are already printed automatically. The main dashboard confirms that this pattern is still active, as shown by this icon over here. You can now enter your buy trade at the close of this candle, set your stop loss at the level marked on the chart, and place your take profit at the printed take profit line. Once the trade runs, you'll notice that price moves in our favor, and eventually it hits the take profit level. As you can see, the trade has closed in profit, and that's also reflected right here in the profit table. And that's how you use the AQPRO Pattern Map to take clear, structured, and profitable trades. To get started, head over to our official website shown on your screen now, choose your plan, and we'll activate the AQPRO Pattern Map Indicator access directly to your TradingView account. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading!